สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Following News on Thursday, the 2nd of April 2020 with me, Natashan Tasuwan. Following News report on the daily plans and the results of Royal Rainmaking operation aiming at bringing rain for agriculture, domestic consumption, reservoir inflow increase, air pollution mitigation, as well as forest fire and hail suppression.
Let's begin with the yesterday's operation results. Among 11 units, there were 4 units to do the operation.namely เชียงใหม่ อุดรธานี บุรีรัมย์ and สุราษฎร์ธานี units. Although the weather condition did not permit เชียงใหม่ unit to do the rainmaking, but they could support the forest fire control team of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment by using a DRA's helicopter to carry water of totally 7,500 liters to suppress the existing forest fire in Chiang Mai. This is the live footage of the operation. For Udon Thani and Surat Thani units could induce rain in Sakon Nakhon and Satun provinces respectively, and Udon Thani unit did the hail suppression mission in Sakon Nakhon. The Buriram unit operation resulted in no rain. Moving on to the notified severe drought area announced by the Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation that today it comprises 23 provinces. Next is the reservoirs having live storage water less than 30%.Today, it is 22 large-scale and 181 medium-scale reservoirs. Meanwhile, the forecast from the Thai Meteorological Department shows that there are heavy and moderate rainstorms in some areas of the northeast and the east. Next is the hotspots occurred by agricultural burning and or forest fire. Yesterday, the number were 683 spots.Scattered mostly in every region, especially in the north. It is increased very much because of the forest fire in Chiang Mai. It also affects to the air quality of the north as shown in the map. It is unhealthy in many provinces in the upper north and unhealthy for sensitive people in some areas. For the central, it is good in many provinces except in Kanchanaburi, which is unhealthy.For sensitive people. For Bangkok and nearby provinces, it is in blue color. That means the air quality is very good. For the northeast, the air quality is unhealthy for sensitive people in Loi, Nong Khai, and Ubon Ratchathani, and moderate in some areas. Another indicator is the map of weekly accumulated rainfall developed by the RRAA. It shows that.In some areas of the upper northeast, the east, and the south have some weekly accumulated rainfall. Meanwhile, the symbol of orange man shows the request for royal rain. There are many requests throughout the country. For the today weather condition, the RRA radar stations scattered throughout Thailand monitor the upper air observation data. Then the rainmaking teams compared it.To the suitable criteria for rainmaking operation comprises 3 parameters. The relative humidity should be over 60%, the lifted index must be less than -2, and wind speed is less than 36 km per hour. It is found that the weather condition is suitable in the northeast, east, and the south. In the northeast, the Khon Kaen unit.did the operation to save the cultivated areas of Karasin and Sakon Nakhon and catchment areas of Nam Phung Dam. Udon Thani unit held the agricultural areas of Loi, Nong Bua Lampu, and Khon Kaen and catchment areas of Ubon Rat Dam. And Nakhon Ratchasima unit did the operation to save the areas in risk.of consumption water shortage of Nakhon Ratchasima and Chayapum. For Buriram unit saved the agricultural areas and reservoirs catchment areas of Buriram, and Surin. And in the east, the Chanthaburi unit saves the cultivated areas and reservoirs catchment areas of Chanthaburi, Rayong, and Chonburi, including forest areas of Pachara Sutha Kachanurak project. And the last one for the south, Hua Hin units did the operation to save the cultivated areas of Phetchaburi and Prajop Kirikan and catchment areas of Keng Krachan, Hoi Mae Prajan, Hoi Kasem, Pranburi, and Yangchum reservoirs, including forest areas of Keng Krachan National Park.
That is all of today's program. Thank you very much for following us and all support to our rainmaking teams. See you next time. สวัสดีครับ